Mia, Grace, Gia. So, pinamulan ninyo before I did not before pinamulan ako masahong mamili ako at least three responses were right on our reflections. So class, let's start. Get one more sheet of paper, then make it faster kay the time is running. So, get one more sheet of paper na. Write one meaningful line of reflections about what we learned from the spoken word poetry. Why estudyante? Our guide question is what message are we releasing? Relax. Registration. Then did you get about students like So good luck. So creativity 5 points. Relevance 5 points. Clarity 5 points. A total of 50 points. So let's start. Guys. Make it faster. You can answer these questions. What did you realize about being a student after hearing the following one estudyante? So 3 to 4 lines to put or 1 and you're going to make it perfectly lang. So 10 minutes lang you guys Okay, time's up. Time's up now. Okay, please pass your papers in front. I read a few reflections. I read few reflections aloud that I can relate the most. So pass your paper in front. Okay? I choose 3 reflection or 2. At least 2 lang. Sige. Sige. Matutupanin ni Sinusha, being a student is not easy, but it makes me stronger every day. So, Sinusha, being a student is not easy, but it's making me stronger every day. Exactly. Every challenge you face makes you stronger and more ready for the future. The future that beautiful. Okay? Exactly, June. Tingnan June, hindi yung Miss Lucia. Very good, Miss Lucia. Sunod, next is from Miss Nanyuhan. Yung matupa ni Miss Nanyuhan, yung reflection area is, even though students' life is hard, I'll keep going because my dreams are worth the struggle. So, absolutely right. That's the spirit of us, our students. No matter how hard it takes or it gets, you still keep fighting for your dreams. Para sa inyong hanggang the dreams or goals in life. Very good, Miss Nanyuhan. Next is Miss Uxie. Her reflection is, every tired morning I spend this life will soon be part of my success story. So, sakto dyan nga, every tired morning and every sleepless night will soon be part of my success story. Very well said, Miss Uxie. Every effort you make today will lead to success to the tomorrow's score. I love that mindset. Very good, guys. Let's give a round of applause, please. So, section is very inspiring. It shows that the student's life is not just about grades, but it's all about growth, learning, and believing in yourself. No matter what it takes, no matter how long it takes, there's a beautiful tomorrows. Okay? Isang pila pa na kakuan, gusto-gusto na tayo magkuhan nila, diba? Or gusto pa na, kung biya ka na imo, kung nibilig ka sa mga. Okay, very good, everyone. So, guys. So, okay. For your assignment, write a short reflection in one paragraph. How does spoken word poetry, like voice gently express the real experience of the students? Pass in next meeting na lang. Write a short reflection in one paragraph. How does spoken word poetry, like voice gently express the real experiences of students? Okay, pass it in next meeting na. Then, before we end our discussion today, I have one last question. If you could describe your student life in one word, what would it be? If you could describe your student life in one word, what would it be? Kung saan to, kung saan mag-describe din yung sa inyo magaling mo, kung saan ka estudyante, in one word lang. Give me. Who can share? Who volunteers to answer? Very good, Miss Lucia. Very good, Miss Lucia. Makita niya, one word lang, inspiring. Very good. That every student need to inspire, need to motivate yourself according to Miss Lucia. Very good, Miss Lucia. Nagising-isip ako na lang, Mr. Mashara. Answeran ka? Example, if you could describe yourself in one word, what would it be? Saman? Saman? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Mashara. Ikaw to Mr. Mashara is, yung word is fun. Bitaw, fun, bitaw. Ganang, hindi naman kay stress at makuha sa atong pag-ispila at ang enjoy with that ang kagaling mo kung spila ta or kung spila ta or dito sa kung room kaya naman yung mga friends na mapapalay-palay pag bisan pag dili sila perfect pero magkakabang mga friends na nato. Okay, that's right. Am I right? Very good, everyone. So, who was the winner? Who else? How about you, Miss Irene? If you could describe yourself in one word, what would it be? Okay, everybody. One. Then, Miss Irene, very memorable yung words na yung mo. Tingnan naman, memorable yung mga experience kaya dito niya nakita yung crush. Dito niya nakita yung first love. Very good, everyone. Thank you for your cooperation. And then, thank you everyone for your cooperation. Great job, great job. Let's give them let's give all a round of applause, please. But before we end today, I have a code or thought for the day that I can share to you. Just a little bit before you remember. Our struggle today